Good morning, everybody. Mitsubishi here. I am so excited today. Day one of the vlog, pretty excited. We gotta go to work first. However, after today is done, we get to go to the garage and install some great parts on my car. Anyways, see you guys later. Time I see CC in the morning, I get super excited because I know every time I get in her, no pun intended, I have a great time. So let's start her up, get to work. See you in a bit. Probably can't see me right now because it's the middle of winter in the morning. It's still super dark out. It's almost 7 a.m. It is freezing cold. We're gonna start her up and she should start. I don't have any doubt about that. It's like minus 21 degrees Celsius and it feels like minus 100. Anyways, let's try this out. Oh, it's a little shaky. Come on, baby. Yeah, there we go. Woo! Alright, so I was actually a little freaked out because I've never had a start like that. We're gonna let her warm up for a bit. In the meanwhile, you know, I'm gonna freeze in the car. I'm gonna let you guys go. So yeah. Alright, so we just got in the work parking lot. Some of the plans for today are I'm probably gonna get some gloves while I'm doing this because my hands are freezing. I was outside filming that little clip about, you know, showing you my car for like a split second and my hands are frozen. Anyways, so we're gonna get some gloves. Probably gonna go to the corner store, get some Ronas. Insert Fast and Furious meme here. Anyways, I'm gonna stop babbling. Gonna go to work for the next 7.5 hours. It's gonna be a long day because I really wanna install these parts. See you guys after work.
Yeah. What's your name, man?
I'm JF.
JF? Shane. Nice to meet you, man. I didn't get your name.
Alex.
Alex?
Yeah, I was here like fucking 10 in the morning yesterday.
Yeah, you were beat, bro.
No, well, I'm trying to just do like a positive impact of just like being like, because I know nothing. Well, not that I know nothing about cars. Like I know nothing how to like, you know, change stuff. Like I didn't know how to change a tire, so I just learned. I met people like in the community, and realistically speaking, I know there's a lot of like people that want to be in the car scene but have no idea where to start.
You're right.
So I just met this dude. We're going to a shop like 2 weeks ago. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go to a shop, have a coffee because it's like a cafe too. And like we met him. He was super cool. He moved here from Winnipeg, and then like we're just texting and stuff, and like we're gonna go eat.
Yeah,
like,
we just met him like
now, and like
he had like a car meet in the winter, and like we just showed up and we just started talking to this guy, and like it was super cool. And
that's like, really cool.
But they don't have my size. All right, second stop, LCBO. I'm probably trying not to get hit by a car. Anyways, we're gonna pick up some beers, some few brews for the boys, and then finally head to the shop and actually get these damn parts on. Right?
Nope, not at all.
Okay, well, we'll see. We might not actually get them on. Who knows?
We're just gonna fuck around.
We're just gonna probably fuck around, and that's about it. Oh shit! Sorry, dude. Canadian thing. Always say sorry. What's up, guys? So we're now finally at the shop, finally get to put these lights on, called Reifen, which is German, right? Because it's spelled R-E-A, whatever, it's Reifen, but it's actually, what is it? Say it with me. Reifen.
Tires in German.
But yeah, so these are the lights we got in the middle of nowhere. By the way, this is Xander, Barbados Slim. That's with 20. Hi, Kenny. So taillights are going on really quickly, apparently, because yeah.
Yo, it's agent efficiency, man. That's what it is.
Yeah, we build cars. Factory.
Yeah. So also huge shout out to Rodgers Motorsports who fixed my reverse lights. They actually added an extra wire for the resistor because it was too short. What happened was one day I was driving, my airbag light went off, Don't know why. I was like, whatever, just a fluke. I'll fix it. Then when I was reversing one day, actually picking up Xander, he's like, dude, like your reverse lights don't work. And I'm like, oh, okay, I'll get some new bulbs. And I get some new bulbs, they don't work. And then I'm like, asked my buddy to get a voltmeter. He used a voltmeter, there's no power going toward the back. Anyways, fast forward, I go to the dealership looks at the e-tax box, which is the box where all the wiring in my car is, if I'm not mistaken. They're like, dude, it's a bird's nest. We don't know what happened. You should go to Rodgers Motorsports. So, shout out to Rodgers Motorsports. You guys fixed my issue in less than like an hour and a half, 2 hours. It was great. And now I'm happy. All the lights are off except my TPMS lights, because you Mitsubishi guys know if you don't have those expensive little plastic things on your tires, they're gonna be on. Yo, how do you put the oil in for the taillights?
You drill hole here.
I know cars, guys. Some, a little bit. So right now we're trying to currently like get the wire to reach all the way, because I noticed that.
Dangle is fine.
Yeah.
Do you have any preference?
So if the wire dangles, I mean, you're in a trunk. So technically speaking, it won't hook onto anything or get stuck or whatever. So it should be fine. Mental note, I might have to get newer reverse lights, because this is my second bulb that I buy in like the last year. Just because if you see, I'll show you in a bit, like the stem of the light is way too long, so it's actually touching the plastic of the taillight. It is never gonna be on. I'm just afraid that's probably gonna shatter, or because of like vibration or just hitting a speed bump or something. But yeah, so check it out here. You'll see how it's really long. So like right here, it's actually like touching, where it should maybe be like a bit shorter and just like have like a space. So anyways, if it works fine in a few weeks, I might just not do it, but all right. So I swear I'm actually helping, even though all these shots. Yo, get out of here. This guy's trying to roast me. That's what friends are for, right, guys? Anyways, so progress is really quick with the taillights. It's actually really simple. So it's one screw, actually it's on the inside. 2 screws. So yeah, I'll show you guys. So you got 2 screws, and then it slides out, and that's about it.
I'll be surprised to make it fly 3/4.
So we got a bet going on that JF cannot make this shot work.
I can make the shot, so just point it up in the corner. Like, yo, that girl.
I don't even know where it is. Apparently it's somewhere in the corner.
It's like, hold on. I'll point it, it's like right there, behind the door.
No, you missed it. You missed it. You missed it.
You guys got nervous. I saw it in your eyes. One more shot.
That's all you get.
One more shot. Eminem had 2 shots in that rap scene, so.
Oh god.
Oh, okay. All right. So, gotta visualize. It's gonna go in. Free dim sum. Gotta save it.
Yeah.
Oh, so close. All right, so we're at the finishing touches of the taillights. It's been like, what, almost an hour? So it's pretty quick. We were just dicking around, as you guys may have seen. So yeah, let's take a little sneak peek. I seriously love it. It looks so much cleaner. That's really dirty, but it's okay. It's winter. All right, so we are finally moving on to the headlight portion. We had a little ick with the taillights. I guess one of the cables were contacting wrong, or what was it that was wrong? The little pin. So the little connector pin was not really going in too well, and you just popped it down, plugged it in, good to go, golden. So yeah, headlights. Sick. They're the Audi style headlights, so they actually do like the whole around contour. And yeah, we're trying to get the bumper off so we can get the stock lights off, and then the new one's on. So yeah, that's about it. Oh wait, stop, no, my lights! Yo, somebody go hold my lights! That's a fucking blooper reel right there. So these are the Audi headlight lookalikes. They're like the, we'll put them on and we'll show you. Anyways. So, update on the headlights. A lot of the bolts are rusted on my car. Hashtag Canadian winter. And also, I guess me not maintaining, or it's not my fault, it's Canada's fault. So yeah, we're gonna take these bolts off. We snapped 2 of them. 3. Okay, 3 of them. So now we have 2 to hold the bumper. Mental note, might have to get a quick release bumper in the future, but we'll see. What's up, man? So
Yeah, the same hat, dude. Yeah.
We got Mitch here to the rescue because we're running into an issue that we don't. It works! Fuck yeah! Well, hey, Mitch, thanks for coming, bro. You can fuck off now. You can fuck off now.
Oh, bro, are you serious? I'm fucking. You're feeding me now, bro.
Turn it back on, bro.
Bro, we got beer. Come on.
Yo, you're feeding me now, bro. Now.
Yo, grab a beer, bro. Ayo. Yo, ayo. You try high beans? Try to let go?
Yeah, there we go.
Oh, fuck yeah.
It doesn't do much though, does it?
No, because
Oh, it does, yeah, it does, yeah, a little bit.
Oh, are you jealous? These guys are working their asses off. Got some za. One more light to put on. Hopefully we're not gonna tap out and get it done for tonight, but let's get some food in our bellies first, and yeah, let's check it out.
You ever see the cars that are half wrapped? This man's sorry, my man's is rocking the new style, half headlight. It's pretty sick, you know. I'm digging it. I'm feeling it.
It's like the dudes who are picking the sneakers. All right, so the actual update is the guy I bought the lights from, for some reason, when he boxed everything up for me, he was missing one of the demon lights, which is actually also the daylight, right? No, night lights. So for safety purposes and me not actually getting a ticket, I will rock one of each. I will either see if there's a local shop that can give me something tomorrow, or we'll wait for this guy to ship me the light I'm waiting for. Almost done.
So basically what he's saying is he's fucked.
Alright, so to conclude this video, I'm about 75% done on my lights. So I got the 2 reverse lights are working perfectly fine. Huge shout out to Xander, Twinny and Kenny for letting me use their shop. Mitch came by to give us a hand with the headlights, and we found out that I'm missing a demon light that actually works as a night light for, you know, night driving. It's all good. I can't rush it. The lesson I learned was great. Just be patient. We're probably gonna try and find a light tomorrow.
Hey,
if we find one.
I know you rented the shop out for 30 minutes. You're at 31 minutes right now.
Oh, and also shout out to this guy again because I'm at his shop now, Skyz Garage. Anyways, I'm gonna catch you guys later. We'll figure it out some other time. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching.